Hey friends, welcome back to Grayson's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be making a quick and easy recipe that's budget friendly as well as delicious, a street corn pasta salad. Let's get into it. Now the ingredients for this recipe call for, of course, corn, lime, jalapeno, green onions, cilantro, avocado, cotija cheese, pasta, black beans, sriracha sauce, chili powder, mayonnaise, paprika, and cumin. Let's get started. We'll go ahead and salt our pasta water. Now I'll be using bow tie pasta for this recipe. Let's go ahead and add this in. Give that a good stir. And we'll cook this al dente. So I'm gonna set a timer for about 10 minutes. Now while our pasta is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and work on the other part of our recipe. We're gonna start with 3 green onions, or about 1/3 of a cup. Y'all, the street corn pasta salad is so delicious. This is a very budget-friendly, very good side dish, and I love taking it to summer cookouts. Everyone loves it. Everyone wants this recipe. I love my onions minced very well, and I think most people do too. It just keeps big chunks out. Let's see if that's about 1/3 of a cup. Third of a cup, perfect. Next, we're going to chop up about 1/2 bundle of cilantro, or around 1/2 cup. Oh, that fresh cilantro smells amazing. I'll probably reserve a little bit of this to garnish. There we go, about 1/2 cup. Okay, next is our jalapeno. We're gonna seed this and chop it up. We need about 1 tablespoon of this jalapeno. One large avocado diced. This is pretty ripe. I've had these for a little while. Let's see what we've got. Oh yeah, they're perfect. Now I typically just use a little spoon. This is how I slice or dice my avocado, and it just works good for me. Okay. I'll just go horizontally and then turn it and go vertically. Okay. Next, we're going to grate about 1/3 of this cotija cheese. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Okay, a little bit more than 1/3 of a cup, but we'll use it. Okay, now it's time to make our pasta dressing. We're going to start with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of paprika. I just happen to be using smoked paprika. 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground cumin. Y'all, but I love cumin, love it. 1 teaspoon of sriracha. A little bit of salt. Black pepper. 1/4 of a teaspoon of lime zest. Well, that's going to give it the flavor there. 3 tablespoons of lime juice. And now we're going to give this all a mix. Smells amazing. Let's give it just a taste. Oh yeah. And I always balance everything with a pinch of sugar. We're going to refrigerate this dressing, let it chill while we put together our pasta. Now the recipe calls for about 3 to 4 cups of corn. I'm using frozen whole kernel corn. And I'm just going to cook this on the stove. And this is what gives it that street corn vibe. And you can cook this until it has a little bit of a char to it, if you'd like. Okay, that looks good to me. Let's go ahead and take this off the heat. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and start the assembly of our pasta. We are going to take our cooled bow tie pasta. Next, we're going to add our skillet corn. Next is our avocado. Look at the color, y'all. This avocado is perfectly ripe. Love avocados. Next, green onions. Our cilantro. Our jalapeno. I have about 8 pieces of bacon that I'm going to crumble up. Now I'm going to be taking this to a big party. So this will be chilling. Now you can assemble the bacon and the dressing at the very end just before you serve it. And if y'all stay until the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how much this street corn pasta salad costs to make. Next is our cheese. Well, I can smell that cilantro. I'm just going to add the rest of this. And y'all, I'm just going to get in with my bear claws and give this a good toss. This is a huge bowl. This is a big salad. Look at how beautiful that is, y'all. Okay, now we're just going to add our dressing right on top. I promise you, if you show up with this at your next cookout, everybody will devour it. And the beauty of it is that it's not drowning in this dressing. It's just enough to keep it nice and moist. And you serve this cold, oh man. Could you imagine this at a big 4th of July party? And last but not least, I'm going to add a few black beans. Now these have been rinsed and drained. You want about 1/4 of a cup. If you don't like black beans, just leave them out. And now I'm just going to garnish it with just a little bit more cilantro. And now I get to give this a try. Here goes. I'm just going to eat it right out of the bowl. I think I've got everything in this one big bite. Here goes. That is a flavor party happening in this bowl, from the cilantro, the green onions, the jalapenos, the corn, the cumin, the chili powder, the sriracha sauce. It is all working together. I'm going to tell you what, this will definitely get rave reviews at your next cookout. If you bring a big bowl of this street corn pasta salad, all of your friends, your neighbors, your coworkers will instantly love you for it. This is Flavor Town right here. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me today in my kitchen. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure that you ring that bell notification so you get notified each and every time that I upload a new video. And as promised, this recipe cost me $20.03 to make this entire gigantic bowl of street corn pasta salad. So anyway, thank you for watching Grayson's Kitchen. I'll see you next time.